Great advice on dealing with gold. You must learn the ins and outs of investing in gold. It is more complicated than just jumping straight in, but it need not be too complicated if you have the right information. This article is going to help you to learn more about gold investments. Stay with reputable buyers when selling gold. You can find out if they're trustworthy by looking at the BBB and through online reviews. A legitimate buyer will pay you fairly for the gold you are selling. You should do this to better protect your gold investment as well as yourself. Before you buy gold, ensure you have scheduled a quick delivery. If the person selling you the gold does not deliver the product right away, make sure you get a written contract outlining when the items will arrive. The expected delivery date they expect you to get them should be listed. Proceed with the order only if this information is forthcoming. Only buy gold jewelry if they have a return policy. If that should occur, they can easily trade in the piece for something more to their liking. Have a professional appraise your gold jewelry if you are unsure what it is worth. This will cost a little money upfront, but you want to know, right? If you still decide to sell your gold, do be aware that you won't receive the price the piece has been appraised at. Anything that is gold is able to be sold. This could be jewelry pieces which are broken jewelry, tableware or any other gold items you have around. It also doesn't have to be 24 karat either. It may simply be gold-plated or maybe only a part of the item has gold within it. You can still find a bit of your initial outlay back. Sell only to gold to buyers who are licensed to buy gold. There is no shortage of places to do gold trading, but some are out to rip you off. Don't discount the value of looking for gold in vintage or antique shops. You can find bargains if you understand what to look for. You can benefit from the benefits of their loss if you research a bit. Know what it is you have. Not all pieces that look like gold are worth their weight in gold. Other metals are frequently put together with gold in order to provide strength. This makes the price. This also applies to pieces that are just plated. Many pieces of jewelry will be stamped with a stamp. However, there are some times when there aren't visible signs. There are other ways to determine purity. Acid testing is a very simple method, so if the rep does this, they're probably new to the business. Before doing business with a gold dealer, contact your local Better Business Bureau. You can find out about certain businesses and experiences so that you can move forward from consumers who have conducted business with them. Look carefully at complaints customers may have had and how they were resolved. If you see lots of complaints that have gone unresolved, then you need to find another business. You don't have to physically own gold to invest in hand in order to invest it. If you buy physical gold, take into account the cost of secure storage of your gold. Get to know any dealer before buying gold. If complaints have been filed, then you need to choose another gold dealer. When you are in the market to sell your gold, make sure your items are separated by carat weight. Gold values vary based on carat weight, so if they are weighed together you will not get all it is worth. Gold with higher carat values is more money. You can often get the best deals from people. You need to understand the risks before purchasing any gold. If someone is selling a coin for bargain basement prices and you have some reason to believe they're not ripping you off, you can take the chance and hope it's a genuine gold coin. Gold investing is not something that you can time. It's an investment to hang on to for long-term wealth. If you want to attempt to time your investing, try doing it when things appear quiet. Gold shortages are common when the economy. You can begin investing in the gold market with only a small amount of money. You can definitely start off small. You can start off with small gold pieces of jewelry or coins when you're able to afford it. Gold stays popular in any market condition. A profit can be realized in both when the market is good and bear markets. Jewelry with a higher carats are worth more. Make sure you go to sell. Take photos of all your gold pieces before you let someone handle them. Also, ask about what will happen if your pieces go missing. Get that in writing to protect yourself. Remember your identification when you sell gold. Gold is very common with thieves that are looking to make decent money. To stop this from occurring, the government made a law that anyone selling gold must present their ID. It makes it easier for stolen gold to be found this way. An honest appraisal can help you make sure you get the right price for your gold. It will cost you money. Be careful when you are buying gold you think might be worthwhile. For instance, there may be a coin that you believe has great value. You need to know the average sales price of such coin. A lot of the time people sell coins because they think they'll be worth a lot later, but many times that is just not true. Never buy gold from some unknown person who calls you unsolicited. Many times solicitors are just trying to steal it from you. Don't risk talking to them for too long and don't provide your information. Make sure that you implement all of the knowledge that you learned. Think about everything you have read, and work to apply the information to your own investments. Gold can be a key part of planning for a successful financial future.